Hi there guys, and welcome to this short video having a look at the position keeping window in a bit more detail. As you can see there, I've got a couple of trades currently running on gold, the US 30 and US dollar Japanese yen. You've got the product name, the number of units that I'm currently trading, the price that I entered into the position, and my real-time P&L. Plus any details of the stop loss or take profit order that I have, and also the relevant sell or buy price. I can also modify and edit my trade directly from here, or simply close out by clicking the close position button right here. If I expand these out utilizing this code, this icon right here, you can actually see the individual order ID, the time that the trade was executed, and all the other details as well. If we actually concentrate on the US 30, because I've actually got two individual trades, so these two child orders, and this is my aggregate order right here. So I was doing 1 unit on each side. That's my aggregate right there. If I want to go ahead and edit any of my trades right here, as you can see there, I don't have any risk management currently attached to the US 30. So I want to go ahead and change that. Just going to add a stop loss, add a take profit. Matter of fact, I'm going to make that 100. I'm going to make that 400. Hit return. I can close out my trade here if I want to. I change my stop loss from a regular to trailing stop loss or whatever else that I want. But I just want to add my default risk management on there. Click modify, and that's been done. Easy as that. And if I want to close out of a position, if we have a look at say something like US dollar Japanese yen, currently short 100,000 units, if I click the X button and then click confirm, then the trade's been executed. It really is as simple as that. Directly from here as well, you've also got the ability to have access to the whole context menu. So I've got all these different features that I can access related to gold, such as charts, client sentiment, Reuters news, and everything else. I can also go back and check my history for all my other previous positions. I can go ahead and select a specific date range from here, which is very, very useful. I can sort from here. Any area here that's got these kind of arrows pointing up and down, I can sort. Anything with a line underneath it, I can click on and I can see specific elements on here. It's very, very useful to go ahead and have a look at, and gives you basically access to all of your trading history. If you want to have a look or drill down into any of your positions a little bit further, you can view additional information by just clicking on the icon right there, and it'll give you everything from the price step ladder information to all your execution price, all your trade orders, everything you could possibly ask for. And if you've got any of your overnight financing and your holding cost stuff, you can get full access to what all those costs are directly from your history. So very, very simple and easy to utilize. You've also got the ability to get all your account settings directly from here. If you want to change your account closeout levels or anything else like that, you can. If you want to print out your history, you can do so directly from here. Or if you want to export your history to a CSV or Excel file, you can do so very easily. So jumping back onto my position window for a second, you'll notice here that I've also got another section called orders. This allows me to see all my pending orders, which I've placed excessively on gold right here. So I've got some limit buys, some stop entry orders. You can see the number of units that I've got selected and the order price that order will be executed at, or the trigger price anyway. Plus any relevant stop loss or take profit orders that I've currently got attached. Again, if I want to modify this, click the modify button. I can very easily add any of my risk management on there if I want to, or I can simply choose to cancel my pending order by clicking here, then clicking confirm. And it really is as simple as that to get to grips with the position keeping window, one of the most important windows in the whole platform. And if you actually go up to account, you can get access to all those windows individually, but you also have access to another additional window called the execution plotter. And what that does is allows you to see all your profit and loss you made in every single trade. And every single closed trade, every single open trade, and all the details. It's like a kind of a cut down version of the history tab, just to show you your opening and closed trades. So it can be quite useful if you want to get through all that market noise.